Here are three reasons why you should get a credit card. First of all is yung promos. Usually pagka ginagamit mo cash, walang promos, discounts, or cashbacks. Pero iba sa credit card. Super dami talaga nilang promos with partner merchants. Merong travel, dining, shopping. And second is, you can increase your purchasing power. Di naman tayo lahat pinanganak na anak na contractor. So, minsan, kailangan nating bumili ng mga bagay na malaki yung amount. And mas maganda kung gamitin natin yung credit card kasi pwede mo siyang installment. For example, kailangan mo ng bagong cellphone or laptop for work or for business or kailangan mo bumili ng equipment. Instead of using cash, you can use your credit card. Usually banks, pagka maganda yung credit history mo, bibigyan ka ng mataas na limit. So, kahit na malaking amount, pwede mo siyang bilhin using your credit card. And aside from that, maka-earn ka pa ng points. So, yung points, pwede mo siyang gamitin pang redeem ng flights, dining vouchers, etc. And last is, you can build your credit history. Kasi talagang nakita ng mga banks na good payer ka. In the future, pag gusto mo na bumili ng bahay, bumili ng kotse, or mag-business loan, it would be easier for you to get that kasi meron ka nga magandang credit history. So, it's very important to start young.